Why should I go to the Perito Moreno Glacier? Perito Moreno Glacier in Argentina is a natural wonder that's worth visiting for its beauty, accessibility, and constant movement. It's the most well-known glacier in Patagonia and is located in Los Glaciers now. It is one of the most famous and accessible glaciers in the world. Spanning about 250 square kilometers, it is known for its dramatic ice ruptures as large chunks break off into Lake Argentino. Unlike most glaciers, it is still advancing rather than retreating. Visitors can explore it through boat tours, trekking expeditions, or panoramic walkways. Its striking blue ice and towering ice walls make it a breathtaking natural wonder.